Hi Sandeep sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Nice meeting you.
Thank
And
you.
you have a lovely office.
Yes,
And
thank you.
thanks for giving me your time. It's a
Thank you,
pleasure.
Subramaniam ji, for coming down here and allowing me to share whatever I have with the world. Thank
It's
you.
my honor and pleasure too.
Yeah.
So to start off, like you are not basically from Pune. You have come from.
I'm
Where are you
basically from Vidarbha region. It is in particularly Buldhana district in Vidarbha, next to Aurangabad and Jalna. Sorry, now Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. So next to that place. The place is known for Rashtramata Jizau, mother of Shivaji Maharaj,
Okay.
and it's birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj's mother, that is Sindhkhed Raja. So I'm from that place. I done schooling there, and after that I came to Pune in 2000 for engineering.
So you did your
that was my
engineering graduation over here.
Yeah, and B computers from
BE computers. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So you did your BE from Pune.
Yes.
And then what happened? What did you do after your graduation?
Well, after graduation, I got placed from my college only. Campus placement, and to obviously the software industry that time in 2000s were booming like anything. So I got placed, and I was working with TSS systems for a couple of years. But as you know, जैसे हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा होता है कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है. So I left that job after maybe 2 years, and I started working with. I've started preparing for my exams for MBA,
Okay.
and I wanted to get admission in a prestigious college like first or second rank in Maharashtra. So I got admission in Pumba. Pumba is University Department of Management Sciences, Pune University. So for 2 years, 8-10 batch, 2008-10. Why I'm mentioning is 2008-10 is the exact year when 2008, and as you all know, subprime crisis was there.
Yeah.
So Lehman Brothers happened that time, and we were going through our finance curriculum, MBA Finance. So that was a big question for all our batches. So those people from those batches across any B school from India, they will understand the uncertainties कि भाई इसके बाद कहाँ जॉब मिलेगा. सबप्राइम क्राइसिस में हम यहाँ पे फंस चुके हैं. So that was very difficult times. So 8-10 बैच से हम पास आउट हुए पुम्बा से. Very nice institute. One of the, I guess, second institute in India, started in 1973.
73. Wow.
73. So we have great alumni network, and actually 90s के बाद थोड़ा शुरू हुआ MBA के बारे में बात करना लोगों का, MBA schools and in 2000 itself उसका बहुत डिमांड बढ़ा. Engineering plus MBA was a deadly combo. It was much needed, required in the market. But this Pumba has started in 1973. So just imagine that time जब MBA या मैनेजमेंट की किसी को ज़रूरत भी नहीं थी, तब से हुआ है.
कोई जानते भी नहीं थे सब.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So that was very nice time with all the fellow students and lecturers across industries. मज़ा आया. Pumba से pass out हुए. Again I got placed from Pumba to Bank of Baroda as a specialist credit officer.
So you got a placement in Bank of Baroda.
Yeah, I got placed, but I did not join that opportunity. And after being, I immediately started in 2010 my own firm, consulting firm,
Okay.
in finance, tax and
2010 में start कर लिया.
जी. Because my father was into taxation related work. My brother-in-law was CA. My sister was also into the same profession. So I did MBA finance. So I joined them as a in the similar field. So I started that. So I started Endeavor Consultant in 2010, and since then we are working. Now we are a private limited company also.
So how was the journey like? What are the challenges you faced when you started off? Because I see you have not worked much with any corporate companies.
Yeah.
It was very short span, I suppose.
Yeah, I always miss that. कि जो peer experience जो होता है ना in a corporate generally. बहुत से जो corporate friends मेरे अभी हैं वो कहते हैं कि no, there is a lot of politics going on. and it's not a good thing. Whatever you are doing, you are MD of a company, that's great. But I always feel I miss that, because here everybody calls me sir, 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 and nobody is there with me. So eventually I joined many chambers of to understand the peer thing and contribute to the knowledge and understand what are there in the other business one, like Maratha chambers. So whatever challenges I faced during this journey, the first was I was young, so to cut the competition it was very difficult for me, and certainly I started with that time somehow मुझे पता नहीं कि मेरा दिमाग उस वक्त कैसे चला. Nowadays I came to know about lead magnet and getting leads, understanding the market, funneling and all that. But that time naturally I could conceive that if I want to survive in my market, so I must have something which will attract people to me. So I got this, only one center was there in the Pimpri Chinchwad area where we are located now. So the second center was opened by me from NSDL. NSDL is a it's a national center for depository. So besides share depository, they have many other services like PAN card, TDS and taxation regular. So that was brand or lead magnet for me, which attracted around 100 plus CS to me and many other corporates. Yeah. So they got connected with me, and we are still friends from last 13-14 years. So I have the list of 100 CAs who are with me. They're not working for me, yes, but we are working as a team. So yeah, network defines your net worth, as you say. So that way we have started, and after some years we have Sayaji. We have served for Sayaji Hotels, Aditya Birla, Tata Motors, Tech Mahindra, and many other small colleges, institutes like Balaji College and many others. So all the MIDC having like different ancillary units, automobile industries, उनके finance managers, they are in touch with me. So वो लोग आते थे regularly because they have to file that compliance. So there only I have started cross-selling things also. So this was the journey, but it was a slow journey. But I built a network which was useful later on.
Okay.
That yes.
So you're basically into finance. And,
Yeah.
Also into real estate.
Yeah, real estate thing. It's a.
Because that's also something to do with finance, right?
Yeah, actually, basically, I'm a finance guy. I focus on financial aspects, financial freedom, financial viability. Whenever I talk with someone, even मैं अगर बस से travel कर रहा हूँ, flight से travel कर रहा हूँ, तो person sitting next to me, I try to analyze that person and what is the financial problem he is in, because finance is the thing, financial, personal finance is common with everyone. Whatever business you do, even a charity work you are doing, it is related to finance. If your finances are not set correct, it will not go perfectly. Even for a country like India, everything, if you have the right finances, will work properly. So that way, that hits me every time whenever I meet people, organizations and all. So financial freedom is my core topic, and there are different tools, different ways, vehicles to achieve financial freedom.
Right.
Some are teaching mutual funds, some are teaching and preaching shares, nowadays crypto. So everyone has their own way to achieve their financial freedom. But for me, real estate investing is a means or the vehicle. So financial freedom is the goal.
Yeah.
The vehicle is real estate investing, and that's why the term real freedom came into picture.
Achha. That's how you coined it, real freedom.
And now it is we are filed a trademark also. So real freedom is the mission I'm working around. And why real estate? Simply because, see, all your listeners may not find it very fancy.
Okay.
Because they always think that real estate, उसमें क्या लेना है? हमारा एक फ्लैट हो गया, एक सेकंड हो गया, that's it.
Yeah.
But yeah, please.
But you are there to enlighten them.
Yeah, not enlighten. First, we'll have to make them aware what is happening.
Yeah,
The
so-
other perspective. Once they believe that yes, there are certain other things related to real estate are also there, then they will start exploring. So for me, the biggest challenge is to make them aware. क्योंकि जो स्क्रॉल करते जा रहे हैं,
हाँ,
सो सडनली दे सी रियल एस्टेट, इट्स नॉट मार्फी, इट्स नॉट फॉर मी, चलो आगे बढ़ो। उनको मुझे अगर रोकते आया एट द वेरी मोमेंट कि अच्छा ये क्या है, आई वॉन्ट दोज पीपल ओनली, दे हैव डिफरेंट आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, क्योंकि जो अट्रैक्टिव है उसकी तरफ सभी भाग रहे हैं। रियल इस्टेट इज वेरी 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 अट्रैक्टिव, क्योंकि आई वॉज वन ऑफ देम, जो लोग मैं कह रहा हूँ कि लोग अभी सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हैं, रियल इस्टेट को नहीं समझ पा रहे, इवन मिडिल क्लास, मैं भी उन्हीं में से था। बट व्हेन आई केम टू नो अबाउट रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी, ग्रैंड कैटॉन, रॉबर्ट एलन, there are many other influencers who are continuously telling about real estate as an asset class, is wonderful asset class, age old, you can do leverage and many other permutation combination. They call it creative real estate investing. So when I understood that, I thought I could not resist myself to share those thoughts, those strategies with other people.
okay.
But I'm still struggling and understanding, because the higher middle class, NRI, IT people are still not getting that, what exactly I'm trying to do. They just think कि यार ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टमेंट मैं क्यों करूँ, आई एम ओके विद SIPs। आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि म्यूचुअल फंड गलत है, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है,
वो भी
उसकी ऐड भी आती है, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, शेयर्स एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स, दे हैव देयर ओन वे। आई एम प्रीचिंग माई ओन वे कि रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टिंग से आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। अभी भी जो मुझे सुन रहे हैं वो भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्या बात कर रहा है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है।
अच्छा,
To break that barrier, I want to share one thing. There is a person, Sunil ji, from Canada. He was a normal policeman. Basically from India में दिल्ली साइड से थे वो, जो कनाडा में सेटल हुए, पुलिसमैन थे वहाँ पे कनाडा में, मिडिल क्लास का है। But after learning the strategies from his guru, his mentor, can you guess in the very first year how many properties he must have bought, invested?
only 10. I'm just thinking, guess.
He invested 77 properties in very first year in Canada. 77.
In
He was a
Canada.
normal guy
That
in
was in
Canada.
Canada.
In first year, and not even first year, in 9 months, just
Unbelievable.
impossible. Even I could not understand. फिर मैंने, मेरा स्वभाव है कि मैं लॉजिकली हर एक चीज़ को परखता हूँ, टटोलता हूँ, तो मैंने फिर सुनील जी के बारे में पूरा पढ़ा कि हाउ ही डिड इट, वेदर ही डिड इट परफेक्टली है कि नहीं, सही है, वैलिडेट किया, यस ही डिड इट, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द डील्स वेयर, मैं जो कहने जा रहा हूँ वो शायद आपको चौंका देगा, मोस्ट ऑफ द डील्स वेयर zero money down. I repeat, no money down. No money down means, अपनी भाषा में समझते हैं, 1 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी उन्होंने कितने में खरीदी, 0 रुपीज। और ऐसे 77 में से 30-40 प्रॉपर्टी उन्होंने विदाउट स्पेंडिंग अ पेनी दे इन्वेस्टेड। Now just imagine if it is true and if we understand these strategies, how beneficial it can be for us.
How is it possible?
The same question every time I share this. That is a wonderful hook, and that is true. I'm not bragging on behalf of Sunil ji also, but that is possible, and not just one. There are 50 plus strategies wherein you can buy real estate for free. Only thing is the mindset. If you can look at it perfectly, you can grab it, and that's why I want people to first listen to me, understand, and then in a community we can nurture each other, understand, and being accountable to learn and implement these strategies even in India. If it can happen in Canada with a normal guy,
Yeah.
don't you think being real estate is a need? हमारे यहाँ पे कितनी पॉपुलेशन है, कितनी रियल इस्टेट है, कितने क्रिएटिव या जुगाड़ हो सकते हैं, तो अगर वही सुनील जी ने वही एक्सपेरिमेंट इंडिया में किया होता तो दे कुड हैव बॉट और इन्वेस्टेड मोर देन 150 प्रॉपर्टीज। और आपके जितने लिसनर सुन रहे हैं उनको 2 प्रॉपर्टी भी मिल जाए या 1 भी मिल जाए फ्री में, तो नथिंग लाइक इट, इट इज पॉसिबल। सो आई ऑनेस्टली टेल
How does
यू,
it
मैंने
happen?
you'll have to come to my community to understand, but honestly telling कि मैंने खुद नहीं किया है, I have never done any deal with 0 money down, okay, but low money down I have done, मिनिमम जो आप समझते हो ट्रेडिशनल, उससे कम पैसे में इन्वेस्ट करके दिखाया है, और जितना रेंटल यील्ड आप लाते हो उससे 2 या 3 गुना ज़्यादा रेंटल यील्ड मैंने ला के दिखाई है। दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन टीच दैट, एंड मुझे टीचिंग से पैसे लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, एज यू नो आई एम इनटू मल्टीपल बिजनेसेस, बट आई ट्रूली वांट people to understand these strategies and make the financial freedom for themselves, because once we are financially free,
Yeah.
we get the most important asset, what? Time. we get time freedom. If we become financially free, if Subramaniam ji becomes financially free, सबसे बड़ा benefit आपको क्या होगा? Time freedom.
Time freedom.
You will be able to. I know you want to spend time with your family, your loved one. कुछ चैरिटी करना चाहते हो, डोनेशन करना चाहते हो, किसी के लिए समय देना चाहते हो, बट यू आर स्टक, यू कैन नॉट. मैं मेरे पहले ही प्रेजेंटेशन में रैट रेस दिखाता हूँ, रैट रनिंग इन अ ट्रैप, एंड इट इज ट्रैप्ड इनटू यू नो एवरी डे गोइंग टू द ऑफिस 9 to 5 जॉब, कमिंग बैक, उसी में चक्कर में अटका हुआ है. he do not have time to think about it कि कैसे इससे बाहर निकले. तो he got stuck. That is dead trap भी उसको कहते हैं. बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं, बट इससे बाहर निकलने का सिंपल तरीका रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टिंग है. अगर ये समझ में आता है तो इवन उन्होंने तो 77 प्रॉपर्टी की, हमने एक भी कर ली, सो वी कैन रिपीट इट एवरी टाइम. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द पावर वी विल गेट.
दो कर लिया तो.
So I'm on a mission to help people understand this real estate investing and for their financial freedom. And that's why I'm the founder of Real Freedom Club, जिसमें इस विचार से related लोग इकट्ठा आएंगे and I'll guide them on these things. And it's a mastermind. ऐसा नहीं है कि traditional कोई lecture सिखा रहा है और सामने वाला सीख रहा है. It's not like that. It's a mastermind. Do you have any idea about mastermind? What does mastermind mean? Like, if there are 10 people in the group community, so everyone has their mind, and believe me, you have, every one of us, each one of us has most valuable thing, our mind and our focus. But it is, हमको फोकट में मिली तो उसकी कीमत नहीं है. If we can focus our mind, and for that matter community का पूरा focus एक जगह पे करके हम अगर सोचते हैं, so we can, अगर कनाडा में 50 स्ट्रैटेजी निकली है तो हम 1000 स्ट्रैटेजी निकाल सकते हैं. सो मास्टर माइंड इज मेकिंग यूज ऑफ 10 लोगों का माइंड इकट्ठा करके. ऐसा कहा भी जाता है, द ब्रिलियंस इज नॉट इन मी बट इन द रूम. द कलेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस, द कलेक्टिव माइंडसेट कैन फेच लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो ये मेरा स्वार्थ भी है कि मैं अकेला सोच रहा हूँ, उसको मैं 10 गुना 1000 गुना कैसे कर सकूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम बिल्डिंग द कम्युनिटी. सो ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर वाचिंग मी, even from you gave me opportunity. I am very thankful and grateful to you. Yeah, because imagine, देखिए मैं थोड़ा spiritual भी हूँ, मुझे लोग कहते हैं थोड़ा ज्ञान भी देते हो, तो मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि हम यहाँ पे 100 साल भी नहीं रहने वाले, right? So whatever we will collect, अगर मैंने 10 प्रॉपर्टी ले ली, मैंने 1000 करोड़ की कमा ली, तो मुझे यही छोड़ना है. So why I am doing this? Why you should do this? We have to give back to the society. जैसे you know I am connected with गौशालास. इंडिजिनियस काउ इज माई क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. सो अगर मैं आज 50 गाय की सेवा कर रहा हूँ जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं 500-5000 गाय की कर पाऊँगा. मैं एक जगह डोनेशन दे रहा हूँ तो मैं 10 जगह 1000 जगह डोनेशन दे सकता हूँ, गरीबों की मदद कर सकता हूँ, मदर अर्थ के लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ. मेनी थिंग्स आई कैन डू. सो आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम इन्वाइटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड बिफोर वी लीव दिस वर्ल्ड.
So nice.
And that can be possible only with financial freedom. मराठी में एक कहावत है कि पैशाचं सोंग घेता नाही. आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, पैसे का आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो कि सब चीज़ आके पैसे पे रुक जाती है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू डू मेक सम चेंज इन वॉट एवर आपका जो सोसाइटी है, कम्युनिटी है, देश है, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ बदलाव आप लाना चाहते हो, ओनली थिंग इज फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम. And that is possible very easily with real estate investing. That's why I'm focusing on real estate.
Oh, so wonderful. How do you think my viewers can join you and
Okay.
get benefited?
First, my mentor says this. He says, people always doesn't care what you know if they know what you care for. Got it?
Once more.
People doesn't care what you know.
Okay.
If they know you care, what you care for. If you or your audience can feel that I care for them, if it is connecting, if my intention is reaching out to them, then only I will ask them to join me. See, मुझे क्या पता है? I'm not selling here information. Information overdose is available in Google and YouTube.
Right.
I'm not here to sell that information. Information सब जगह पड़ी है. Here we are. It's a care. Even I have goosebumps now. I am careful about you people, the selected few. कि आप लोग साथ में आएंगे, लेट्स वर्क फॉर द फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम, एंड आई कैन सी दैट you are impacting your own world and it's a ripple effect. So all those people who are believing in this thought, they can join. It is not assured,
Yeah.
because you
True.
cannot expect that I know everything, but you must know that I care for you.
Right.
So those people who want me to care for them are invited. And how to join? You can engage on my content. There are different channels we will share into the description. And it's a real freedom community. sandeepkule.com, sandeepkule.com is the website. Simple. So there are different coaching modules and courses, some hackathon. It's a real-a-thon. I'm coining a new word, real-a-thon, real estate ka marathon, wherein har ek jagah Udemy you have thousands of courses, but very few people complete them. Right? तो
Right.
courses sell करना मेरा purpose नहीं है. I want implementation. I want results. I want you to start from point A to point B. So what is point A and point B? अगर I'll elaborate it. There are two types of people. What I could see clearly, there are 3% people and other are 97%. I'll talk about 3% first. 3% people are investors, smart investors. Already they know where to invest, how to invest. They have done investment couple of times. Most of them are financially free also. So for them, I already have deals. ये स्मार्ट लोग हैं, इनका कहना है मेरे को सीखने की जरूरत नहीं. आई डोंट वांट योर सपोर्ट, आई वांट डील्स इफ यू हैव. सो वी हैव डील्स. सो डील्स लाइक इन इंडिया, लाइक डोलेरा सिटी इज द न्यू अपकमिंग सिटी. नैना, इस पे मैंने एक ईबुक लिखा है दैट हैज रीच्ड टू मोर देन 4 lakh people. So Naina is new Mumbai airport influence notified area. In आसान भाषा में third Mumbai. After new Mumbai, the third Mumbai is coming very soon. In fact 2013 से उसका planning हो चुका है. तो मैंने उस पर अच्छे से book लिखा है. You can access that book. For your community only, I can offer it for free.
Okay.
Normally it is valued at 999,000 rupees की है.
Is
Go through that
online?
book. Yeah, it's an e-book. It's an e-book for you. And तो 3% लोगों के लिए I have deals. Simple. Go through the deal and close it. But for other 97% people, what we have is that is the mass market. Those are struggling, middle class, higher middle class, IT engineers, DINK, D-I-N-K. It's a sector. Double income, no kids. So newly married, both are IT engineers. And but no kids, and now just started their life. So these are my targets. I would love to work with them because these are smart people, these are young people. They will understand, they want to do something different. They are getting attracted towards crypto. So I just want real estate should also be there in their portfolio. So that's why. So for 97% we are designing a journey and I'll be selling that journey. I'm not selling courses. Point A and point B for 97%. What is point A? You are now in the 97% because आप अपने खुद के प्रॉपर्टी पे ही फोकस कर रहे हो, राइट? कि मुझे एक अपना फ्लैट लेना है, खत्म. आपको उस जगह से उठा के आपको नर्चर करके हम लोग वो 3% में लाएंगे जहाँ पे यू विल बी डूइंग दिस डील्स रेगुलरली विच विल अल्टीमेटली मेक यू फाइनेंशियली फ्री. सो लॉट ऑफ कैश फ्लोज कैन कम डाउन. आपने कोविड में देखा होगा कि बहुत से प्रॉपर्टीज का सेल कम हुआ था बट रेंटल चल रहे थे. इनफैक्ट रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी का एक अलग से उसमें वीडियो आया था कि इफ़ यू कोविड में हर एक मार्केट डाउन था मोस्टली, बट कोविड में सबसे ज़्यादा अगर आप होम बाइंग करते तो आज आप किसी और फाइनेंशियल स्टेज में होते. सो टू लर्न टू टाइम द मार्केट एंड देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू. एंड फॉर दिस द पॉइंट A and point B is clear. The point B is you are becoming financially free, and maybe you can start this journey from a small journey, small part of this point B. We can say A to A1, point A to point A.1. You know, we always I think one of my mentor Rajiv says this: version 1 is better than version none.
So nicely put across.
Version 1 is better than version none. So at least you are starting something. I know financial freedom is a big term for you, but at least हम कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. So even if you are thinking, I'm talking to you that double income वाले जो लोग हैं या youngsters like 25 to 35 के बीच जो अभी आए हैं, those are planning to buy their first property, be it residential or flat or shop or commercial whatever, पहली property आप ले रहे हो, so do it with me. I'll guide you, not courses. It's implementation model. We have gamified it very well, and that is called as real-a-thon, real estate ka marathon. By the end of 90th day, you will be able to buy. You must have bought the property first time, and with a full financial planning, and there are many missions I have crafted around. That is happening for the first time. I'm damn sure about this. कि इंडिया में या भारत पूरे विश्व में ये किसी ने नहीं किया था the way I crafted the journey, because I have gone through it. I have failed a couple of times. So for you, your viewers, this is an opportunity to join my community and learn from me. And it's my mission. It's not my business. Okay.
Right.
So, but when you pay attention. So I'm not making it free. You'll have to pay something. But I'm sure it is so less that you can afford it like anything, and you will value it forever. Because once you learn, you cannot unlearn anything. That's the beauty of human mind. If you learn the strategy, if you got the confidence for the first deal, you can do it
Many times.
many times. That's the power. So I invite you to that community and understand. Before that, you can hang around my all content, my YouTube videos, podcast. There are many.
Whose information will be there on the
Yes.
description.
Yes.
So that was wonderful,
And
Sandeep ji.
yeah,
So
one.
I'm sure a lot of viewers will give it a thought, because it's something which I think they should
One.
go for it.
One to more.
This kind of
Yeah,
knowledge is not available anywhere else.
absolutely.
Like you can't learn through books or anything. It needs to be somebody who's
Yes.
gone through the journey
Yes.
himself.
I already mentioned it's not fancy.
Yeah.
Real estate.
And
में
you're
क्या
doing
है?
it with
लोग-
passion.
Yeah.
You're doing it with passion.
Yeah, but one or two more points I want to mention. I am visible. I was creating videos, and maybe 2 years back, मैं Facebook को नाम रखता था कि क्या लोग Facebook पे डालते हैं, why social media? I want to be private. मेरा लाइफ चल रहा है, मस्त चल रहा है. But तो कहते हैं ना, बलबॉन मोमेंट मुझे मिला मेरे कुछ मेंटर्स से कि this is a wonderful medium. If you have a mess in your life, if there is some mess in your life which you overcome, so why not to make that mess into a message and spread
Wow.
it to the world?
क्या बात है?
And that's why social media, just you need a camera, mobile internet connection, all of them you already have right now. Even those
Everyone
all of
has
them,
got.
everyone has got, even now.
Yeah.
And the most important, everyone, I'm damn sure each one of you is having wonderful things happen in their life. Fortunately, I'm not saying unfortunately. There may be some dumps, some
Yeah, but that's a lesson.
mishaps, whatever. But I'm
But it's
telling
teaching you
that is
lesson.
fortunate because
It's
I've done,
fortunate.
yeah. There are a lot of failures in my life. I call myself mentor because I'm an experimenter. That's why that is mentor. So I have experimented. So I guess I'm sure that all of you have something to share to the world. So pick up your mobile and start sharing also. And similarly, I started my journey. I shared my thoughts, and the people were connected to me. And soon after, the big brand Remax. If it's visible, it's Remax here. It's a red balloon. Having presence in more than 110 countries. It's the largest network in the world.
Wow.
The CEO of Remax India came to my office, and we are now part of Remax India.
Mhm.
So now, see, if my intent is clear, the world will come to me.
Right.
So that way, I can proudly say that if you want to buy any property in 110 countries where Remax is present, I can help you now. So my power has grown like anything. So Remax is with me.
International youth.
Yeah, and we get access through different strategies, trainings, network, technology, brand, engaging, cross-selling. So many things are happening around, and many mentors in India also who are already working. They have joined me. We are collaborating. So we have many more deals for these 3% and 97% के लिए भी बहुत सारे offers और नए learnings हमारे साथ हैं.
Wonderful.
And गौशाला मेरे दिल में है, तो I'll have to talk about it.
Please, please.
मैंने इनके साथ पहले ही जैसे ही आए इनको शेयर किया था, बट आप सबके लिए मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज गणेश आइडल. आई एम श्योर आप में से जितने लोग देख रहे हैं ये पहली बार देख रहे होंगे. इफ यू वांट आई कैन जूम इट फॉर यू. ये जो गणेश आइडल आप आपके सामने देख रहे हो, दिस इज मेड ऑफ काउ डंग. आई रिपीट, ये गोबर से बना हुआ है. दिस इज गोबर से बना हुआ गणेश मूर्ति। ये आपने कहीं नहीं देखा होगा। इससे मुझे क्या मैसेज देना है, ये हमारे गौशाला में हमने शुरुआती में बनाया था, अभी जो आपके सामने है ये हमारे किसी गौशाला से हमने लिया है एंड वी आर प्रमोटिंग दिस। सो दिस इज बेसिकली, इफ यू कैन लुक इट डिफरेंटली, दिस इज, ये आधा किलो का गोबर है, दैट्स इट, विच इज़ अ वेस्ट एक्चुअली, हर एक गौशाला में हर एक गाँव में पड़ा हुआ है, बट वी मेड अ ब्यूटीफुल मूर्ति आउट ऑफ इट विच इज सिंपल। उसका डाया मिलता है, इट्स नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस, इट्स सिंपल, बट द मोमेंट वी डू इट, वही आधा किलो का गोबर अभी 1,500-2,000 रुपए की मूर्ति बन चुका है। जस्ट इमेजिन द पावर ऑफ क्रिएशन, बीइंग क्रिएटिव। तो ये हमने क्यों किया, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट लाइक टू आस्क फॉर डोनेशंस फॉर आवर गौशाला, वी आर स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, अगेन द फाइनेंशियल वायबिलिटी एंगल इज देयर विद इन माई गौशाला। By the way, we are running 2 different goshalas. One in Pune, Chinswad. You are all invited to visit our goshala, and one in Mawal, next to Somatne Fata in Pune, Mumbai-Pune Express. तो अगर एक गोबर का आधा किलो का चीज़ इतना ब्यूटीफुली होके एक मॉडल बन सकता है, एक बिजनेस बन सकता है, इसी के अराउंड हमने वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर ब्रांड ऑल्सो, सर्वत्व होलिस्टिक वेलनेस, विच इज़ ऑल्सो डूइंग वेल। सो ऐसा अगर हो सकता है तो यू कैन डू एनीथिंग। मैंने कई सारे बातें इनसे की, तो ये ब्यूटीफुल, ऑल ऑफ यू आर वैल्यूएबल, ओनली थिंग इज योर माइंड सेट इज नॉट क्लियर, यू थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट वैल्यूएबल, everyone is valuable, and I need your support into my community also, because I need your opinion also, क्योंकि आपके पास जो माइंड है उसको यूज करके there can be, it can help as a group, क्योंकि सुब्रमण्यम जी, एक हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं, उसका अलग आउटपुट है, और 4 लोग आएंगे ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करेंगे तो उससे कुछ और निकल के आएगा, if we are aligned and focused on a single thought, so that's why, तो मेरा स्वार्थ समझिए आप, that's why I am inviting the smart people from your community, और जो कोई जहाँ तक ये वीडियो पहुँचेगा, come to community, let's discuss and text something out of it, but because our intention is clear, financial freedom, and financial freedom हर किसी को चाहिए वर्ल्ड में, वो किसी भी देश से हो। So the goal is clear, the vehicle is clear, real estate investing, so those who are aligned with this are invited, please join and let's have fun.
Sure.
Yes.
Now, a lot of people will reach out to you.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Sandeep.
Yes, thank
It
you.
was lovely and very, very informative.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so grateful to you. Thank you
It's
for
my
giving me
pleasure
the
and honor.
opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Please do like, subscribe, and watch.